Okay, greetings bafethu, it's your boy Meluleki Ndlela aka Ghost. If you're a citizen lasemzansi fethu, you don't know what's happening in a country, othi sikuthathe sikubeke. There are organized anti-migrant protests and attacks which are happening in major cities in the likings of Durban, Segoli, Pretoria and Cape Town. Umbuzo ke umili uthi who are the targets? Okay, are mostly Africans from Nigeria, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Somalia, you name it. Umbuzo umile ukuthi kwenzakalani, what's happening? Okay, Operation Dudula and March and March benza inspection of businesses and demanding ID papers. Bese siba nama resource competition. Kuma Township, there is a competition of low-skill jobs and ama retails. Leyo nto ingathena i-violence. Another biggest context you should know as a citizen yasemzansi ukuthi this is not new, bro. Like xenophobic violence has been happening since 1994. Bese ukuthi ngo-2008 khona i-crisis eyenzeka, like there was so many people, there were like 67 people who died because of this xenophobia. Uma ngabe sithi siyabheka ama-stats and perception, ama-foreigners enza about 4% la emzansi. Mawuthi uyabheka ke iscale asamselani ke neinkinga zala emzansi ekhona, which results to corruption and poor governance. If you want a better South Africa, guys, I think we need jobs, safety, dignity for everyone living in South Africa. That starts with holding accountable for government.